In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a donation command with Nightbot. My name is Trui and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Trui. This video is part of a series about Nightbot where I explain everything that you need to know about Nightbot. Make sure to check it out in the card above. First thing we want to do is go to your PayPal, or make a PayPal if you don't have one. You have to log in and click on Send and Requests. This is going to be a pain. I'm going to need to blur everything in this video. Here at the top you see Requests. Click on that one. And then you see Get Your PayPal.me. Click again. Create a PayPal.me profile. .now. Your name will be displayed here and then /Trui. So Trui is already taken apparently. With this method, people will see your real name, so be aware of that. You need to agree with the conditions and create one. Done. Now it sends you back to this page, and now instead of create one, it says share your PayPal.me. If you click on that, you'll see paypal.me/Trui on Twitch. If you copy that, we can paste it later. What we need to do now is go to Nightbot and log in. This can be with your Twitch, YouTube, or Mixer. If you have not used Nightbot before, it says join channel right here. Click on that. If you have used it before, it says start channel there. Do not click on that. Then on the left we see command. We can click on that and then custom, add command, and then add command, !, donate. I can't write. Donate. Okay, that took a while. And then the message, donate to the channel, and then paste your link. So for me, this is paypal.me/Trui on Twitch. For you, this can be a different link because you just made that in the PayPal. So make sure to paste that link right here. Donate to the channel. You can make this anything. Give me a beer, spare a dime, help the stream, anything. As long as you use the link in here, because this is where people can donate towards you. Use the level anybody because you want everybody to be able to donate, right? And then cooldown, you want to set a little bit of a cooldown. I would recommend setting around 30 seconds. I can't get it on the 30. 29 is fine. This way people cannot spam the donate link, but will only be giving you the link every once at 29 seconds now. Do not fill in the alias. The alias is meant for you to duplicate commands. We do not need that right now, so leave that open and then click on submit. We're gonna go to our channel, which is my Dutch channel. I don't know why I'm using my Dutch channel for the series, but I am. And then type /mod Nightbot. You want to make sure that it's a mod so it can do anything and it's not going to be blocked by Twitch or any other mod. Now what we can do is to !donate, and it will give us the link. It will also give us my actual donate link from Stream Elements because that is actually the way I use my donate link. So for those of you who don't know yet, you can also do it through Stream Elements or Streamlabs. I use Stream Elements myself, which is a lot more safe than doing it through PayPal itself. You can also have stream alerts pop up on your stream with Stream Elements, so I definitely recommend going for that one instead of the Nightbot one, but if you really insist on using Nightbot, this is how you do it. If you want to know how Stream Elements works, I will leave it up in the card above. If you want to learn more about Nightbot, hop in with me in this playlist where I tell you everything about Nightbot.